So this is the Kauai Scenic Shoreline, and this is the entrance to the Makapu Shoreline or Lighthouse Trail. The entrance to the Makapu Lighthouse Trail. I guess we've got to squeeze through there.
Oh, that sounds a little easier.
Oh, yeah. Going through? That was a lot easier. So this is a tsunami hazard area. So I think it's pronounced Kaiwi Scenic Shoreline. And there is no mention of the lighthouse there, but that's what's out at the end of the trail. So you notice the gate was closed, but they do have parking and lots of parking. But I don't know why it's not open today, other than maybe because it's Sunday, or maybe it's storm related. But there's a lot of cars parked on the street. And if you look off right through there, right in the middle there is Pele's chair. Maybe we'll get a better look at that. Look at these flowers. I think that's a little swampy. I'm not going to walk through it. But after the parking lot, the second parking lot, you come to these signs.
So it's cloudy, a little wet.
And they're all warning signs. Waves break on ledge.
We canceled our car.
Volcanic landscape. So this is the trail we're doing.
Lots of beaches.
And I think
stops along the way.
we are right about there now.
Shopping centers. We started.
No drones. In case you hadn't heard or I haven't said it, they had torrential rains here the last couple days. High theft area. Well, we don't have a car. So we've been walking uphill for, well, half a mile or so. And it looks like more uphill. Of course, remember, it's downhill going back. But I'm breathing hard. Now we're on the east side of the island, in case you want to know. Honolulu is that way, 20 miles or so. So we've come a long way. You see the cars parked there on the road or moving on the road. But there's been these little tiny wildflowers. And there's all different kinds. Probably can't see them very well. Of course, stuff grows out of the lava too. So we've walked all that way. That's maybe a mile. And I guess we're coming to a lookout. So Pele's chair is right there. Of course, it doesn't look like a chair from here.
Mom.
And you don't see the lighthouse yet. We rested for a few minutes at the lookout point, and it looks like we're done climbing uphill, at least for a little bit. And it's a welcome level path. the level part was short-lived. But if these people can make it, we can make it. Right, Janet? So we've come to another lookout. That is a sheer cliff down to the ocean. And some daring people. The Kaiwi channel. That's where the Makapu lookout was for the Makapu beach, and that's the trail. And these guys have fishing poles. They went fishing up here. Yes, indeed. I guess. Well, we reached another lookout. I think that's our destination. We haven't seen any whales, but it's a sanctuary for them. You probably don't see that, but there's whales out there. I was wrong. I mean, I was right. We haven't seen any yet.
It's staying in the same spot.
But now we've seen it. So we've leveled out for a few steps. And then it's uphill, and I guess up to there. And this has taken us 45 minutes maybe to here. Coming to one more lookout before we get up there to the top. And the top is crowded with people. Ooh. Oh, the lighthouse. So there's the top, and there's Janet. I'm going to try to see if I can see Makapu Beach from here without getting too muddy. And I'm going to say no. So I'm going to say that was a pretty strenuous hike. They call it a nice leisurely hike. We'll stop there on the way back. But at least it's downhill most of the way back. Weird bird sounds. There's Makapu Beach.
Not my first fucking.
beach. People taking pictures. There's the lighthouse.
Right there.
So we were up there a few minutes. Now it's time to go down. Let somebody else crowd up there.
Thank you.
Now, these are just cliffs straight down. The lookout is up there, and the trail is around this mountain, and that's Makapu Beach, and that's the Sea Life Center, and that's where we're going to pick up this bus. So we got to walk all the way around to there, but at least it's mostly downhill. But by the way, it was almost exactly 2 miles to this point, so if you're interested. And about 1/10 of that was downhill or level. I think Janet will agree.
What?
It feels good to go downhill and to use the trash bins. Somebody ahead of us is playing music really loud, like classical music, and a baby screaming. We stopped for a pause to look back, see where we've been, and also to let the music man get way ahead. He played classical, then reggae, and now a little bit of heavy metal. So, but I don't know what his deal is. Does he have to play it so loud for the whole world to hear? There's the main road. You can see all the cars parked along it. This I think is the steepest part. My toes are smashed up into my shoes. But I still prefer walking downhill to walking uphill. Well, we're back where we started. Maybe not where we started, but this is the beginning of the Kaiwi Trail or Makapu Lighthouse Trail. And that was our hike. And it was about a 3-mile round trip. Maybe a little more. All uphill going, all downhill coming back, pretty much. So from Oahu, Hawaii.
I'm Janet.
I'm Garrett.
We'll see you in the next part.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, so we hiked up the trail and back down. Took about an hour and a half round trip. Although I think it took us an hour to get up. And only half an hour to get down. But we're out at the main road. And we got to walk up to Makapu Beach and then to the Sea Life Center, which by the way is closed today, but that's where we're going to catch our hop on hop off blue bus.